Hey guys, and today I'll be showing you how you can make a residential area left turn pocket intersection inside City Skylines. So first what I want to do is open up my roads panel. I want to go to small heavy roads and select this asymmetrical road. So I'm just going to place it down here and I'm going to place it for 5 units. I'm going to, let me just zoom in. So I'm going to place it for 5 units, then draw this small section out, then place it another 5 units. Then I'll just go to the upgrade road tool, and I want to make sure that the road is oriented in the right way. So this road segment is rotated opposite to how I want it. So for my build, I want the road to be bigger on the right side of the road since I'm using right-hand drive. So I'll just right click on the segment here to switch the direction of the road like this. And I want to check for the same thing on the other side too. Then I'll just delete this middle road here so it becomes one single road. And then I'm going to use move it and align this so the 2 lines are halfway between each end node point. So next I want to go to my search tab and search for this road zoning prop. So I'm just going to search for zone in my search. And I'm going to just use this long road zoning decal here. So in order to place them on the road pavement, I need to do Shift P on my keyboard to turn prop tree anarchy on. And then I'm going to just hold my right mouse button down to finally rotate the decal. And I'm just going to place it like this so they match with the road. And I'm going to just use the same decal here and rotate it with my mouse button. Place it down like that. If the decal is slightly misaligned, and I can also just use move it after the fact and realign it so it looks more aligned like this. So once this looks good, what you next want to do is make some cross streets. I'm just going to select this normal 2-lane road. Select the line tool, and I'm just going to place it perpendicular to the main road like this. I can also do the same thing on the other side too. Next, I'm going to place a solid line in between the lanes near the intersection. So in the search tab, I'm going to search for bike middle. I'm going to turn my spacing to 1 meter and draw a solid line. I also have to go to options here and turn on prop line tool anarchy for the line to draw on the pavement. So I'm just going to place it up to here. I'm also going to do the same on the other side too. So next I'm pretty much going to copy the first section of road here and go 5 units, make a break, and then go 5 more units like this. And then I'm going to make a cross street. So I'm just going to repeat the same pattern a couple more times. So next, once I repeat the pattern as many times as I wanted to, I'll right click the section of road I want to switch directions using the upgrade tool and apply it like that. So since I have right-hand drive, I want to make sure it's like this on both sides so that the turn lanes are on the right-hand side of the road. So next, I'll just continue checking all the road segments. Once I'm done, I'll just delete the temporary roads I made. And I'll want to select the middle nodes with the pivot mod and center the lines in the road median in between the 2 cross streets. Next, I want to copy the zoning decals from the middle of the first section of street I made. I'm only selecting the zoning decals since the bike middle decals are often misaligned when they are copied with move it. So I'll just place these props on the other segments of the street. Next, I want to redraw the turn lane lines. So I'll search for bike middle, set my interval for 1 meter, and we draw them on each segment. So now I will build up the neighborhood around it by placing a grid of streets and zoning them for low density residential use. Also, if I want to make a left turn pocket that's longer than just one intersection length, I can also just use the same technique as I did before. Instead of immediately placing another asymmetrical road, I can also go to my small roads and place this one down. These cross lines, however long I want to. Then make this break here, and then also place the asymmetrical road down the end. Delete the breaks. Make sure it's aligned like that, and then I can place my decals. Like this. So, and also instead of this middle, you can also easily just upgrade this also to a median, a solid median of trees in it, or just one of concrete, or just the ones, the dashed lines in the middle, so it has the most continuity with these other decals. So pretty much I'm just going to continue to build out this area around here. So next what I want to do is reconfigure the lane connections of these intersections. So I'm going to go to my traffic manager, go to my lane connections. I'm going to go to the central node here, and I want this one to turn left and this one to go straight ahead, and on the other side the same thing. Make this one turn and this one go straight ahead. Like that. I'm going to do the same with the other nodes now too, so I'm just going to do the same like this. Straight ahead, turn left, straight ahead. I almost forgot on all these intersections to assign this to turn right as well. I'm going to do that. So now that I configured my lane connections using Traffic Manager, it should be working. So that's basically how to make left turn pockets on lower density residential neighborhood roads inside city skylines. Thank you for watching this build video. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and give feedback in the poll and the card above. Thanks for watching.